The screen goes blank right as you pull up to the gate. That is the moment you realize your entire workday depends on a piece of software that might just decide to take a sudden nap. We are looking at the digital backbone of a massive shipping empire. It is a tool that everyone loves to complain about, yet nobody can seem to ignore it. It promises a world where you never leave your cab. You just check in from the driver's seat. You get your schedule and your load details right there on your phone. On paper, this is a dream for anyone hauling freight across the country. You tap a button and the gate opens. No more messy paperwork to lose. No more juggling phone calls with dispatchers who sound like they are talking through a tin can. It aims to modernize the whole grind. It wants to make things seamless. But the reality is often a lot more chaotic than the marketing suggests. Drivers are reporting total system freezes at the absolute worst possible moments. 1 minute, you are cruising. The next, your data just vanishes into thin air. It is beyond frustrating when you are on a tight schedule and the clock is ticking. Then, you have to deal with a navigation system. It is supposed to be built for big rigs. Instead, it sometimes tries to guide a massive trailer down a narrow residential street. You end up staring at a dead end while the app tells you to turn left into a neighborhood park. It makes zero sense for a vehicle of that size. Then there is the feeling of being watched. You have to take selfies just to prove you are who you say you are. The app tracks your every move with constant location pings. It feels like having a ghost boss breathing down your neck from a server farm somewhere far away. Some drivers absolutely despise this part of the job. It feels invasive and cold. The most stressful part has to be the performance score. You could be stuck in a massive traffic jam caused by a wreck miles ahead of you. It is completely out of your control. Yet, the app sees you are late and dings your rating anyway. It feels incredibly unfair to be punished for a situation you did not create. If things really hit the fan, getting a human on the line who actually knows how to help is a major challenge. Customer support is notoriously hit or miss when you are in a bind. Yet, despite all these massive headaches, the ratings stay surprisingly high. Why is that? Because when it actually works, it really does simplify the day. It beats the old way of doing things by a long shot. You just have to learn the quirks and keep your cool. You have to develop a sixth sense for when the tech is about to fail you. You must have a backup plan ready. It is a tool of convenience that comes with a heavy side of digital anxiety. If you want those specific loads, you play by the rules of the machine. It is the price of admission in the modern logistics game. It is a tool that can make your life easier and drive you absolutely mad in the same hour. You have to be ready to pivot when the screen glitches. You have to be your own tech support sometimes. That is the trade-off as everything moves to these automated platforms. They offer incredible efficiency, but they often strip away the human element of understanding. It is a high-stakes balance for anyone sitting in that driver's seat. You are part technician, part driver, and part data manager. It is a lot to handle when you just want to get the job done and get home. You find yourself navigating two different worlds at once. There is the physical road ahead of you, and the digital maze on your dashboard. Both can be full of unexpected obstacles. You just have to hope the digital one does not steer you into a ditch. It is the future of the industry, for better or worse. You just have to strap in and deal with the glitches as they come. Every day is a gamble with the interface. You win some time, and you lose some sanity. That is just how the road looks now.